Get the fuck out of here.
See, it's abuse. Just trying to surpass some time.
Oh my god!
You know, that's all she's been doing all
Why
day.
do you have to be around me?
Look at this abuse. That's what she's been doing all day. This is what she's been doing all day, laying
All
in
day
bed.
my ass, get away!
She doesn't even want to watch TV on this snowy day. There's like 3 feet of snow on the ground. She wants to just lay. She just wants to lay in bed all day.
Just leave me alone.
All she wants to do is lay in bed
For the love of Christ
and play Monster
holy.
Busters.
Leave me.
See,
AJ.
you see this abuse? This has been going on for about the past 20 minutes.
I'll fuck you up.
Yeah. Exactly. See?
Straight murder you right
See?
now.
This is going to the law. So, it's all good. Keep your little threats up.
My little threat? My little fucking threat? Get out of my house! Stop!
Just trying to surpass this snowy
Get
day.
the fuck out!
She claims she has to poop again. Ow! Stop! No biting.
That was not in the rules.
No, it
You
is.
gonna leave me alone?
You want to stop trying to suffocate
You gonna
me?
leave me the fuck alone? Huh? You gonna leave me alone?
See this abuse?
You gonna leave me alone?
See this abuse?
We're talking right now. You gonna leave
Look.
me alone?
She's gonna break my jaw.
I'm gonna break your fucking neck. You gonna leave me alone?
It looks like a booby.